Jean Fuller is a trailblazer and a public servant. She is an extraordinary example to the students from our rural communities of what awaits them if they pursue higher education. Born and raised in Shafter, Jean grew up like many kids from rural communities as part of a close-knit family without much exposure to the world beyond her city limits. But after high school, Jean ventured off to Bakersfield College, where her love of learning and helping others collided with a world of opportunity. After Bakersfield College, Jean went on to get her bachelor's from Fresno State, her master's from Cal State LA, and her PhD from UC Santa Barbara. She served as a teacher, a principal, and a superintendent in Compel Union School District in Palmdale, and then returned to Bakersfield as the superintendent of Bakersfield City Schools. She was named the 1995 California Superintendent of the Year. After 30 years as an educator, Jean was elected to the California State Assembly. She successfully ran for state senate and became the first woman to serve in a Senate leadership position as the minority leader.
Having leaders like Congressman Bill Thomas, who was my professor, and Congressman Kevin McCarthy as leaders who support you was absolutely critical, and I probably wouldn't have ever met them if I hadn't have come to BC. The wonderful thing about Professor Thomas and the others at that time was they took us from where we were to where higher goals to where we should be. Early college is where you go to high school and you come out with an AA or a work certificate. It's a wonderful, wonderful opportunity for our community, and we are so lucky KCCD has provided it for us. If Bakersfield College and the Kern Community College District had not sent a bus out to Shafter in 1968, I would not have been able to do any of the things or find any of the opportunities or even know about the dreams.
Early college allows high school students to take college classes and even earn an associate's degree by the time they finish high school. It is a life-changing program that is increasing college-going rates and economic mobility for students in Kern County. Thanks in large part to Fuller's dedication to the early college program, tens of thousands of high school students have earned college credit through the early college program, and over 500 have completed an associate degree while in high school. For this, I'm so proud to recognize Dr. Jean Fuller for the Bakersfield College Foundation Leadership in Education Award.